Hey beautiful people, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you ladies how I'm putting in my 2-strand twist. I'm almost done. I did the whole back and I'm doing a small to medium size. I'm going to be sharing with y'all the products that I'm going to be using to complete this. I have this to go. I did all of this over here and I'm doing them in a small to medium size twist. So I'll be able to take them out. What I'm using to actually do them is my Cantu Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream and my Blue Magic Grease. This one is not the traditional Blue Magic where the grease is blue. This one is green because it has bergamot in it. So I have this section to do. I've just been parting it with my hands. I'm trying to make them uniform where they're all the same size, but of course some of them are smaller than others. And I'm just using my Cantu on the tips of my hair, and I'm using a fair good amount. I apply to the tips of my hair and I work that all the way up, and then I just basically separate, pulling out any shedded hairs that I may have. And then I also take my blue magic grease, and I add that to the tips of my hair as well, mainly to the ends, and I get like a small dime size amount. You don't need too much. But if you have some kind of curling cream or whatever that you would like to use, you can do that. You don't have to use what I'm using. But this works for my hair. And as you can see, my hair is shining. It's hydrated thus far. And I also take my little fine-tooth comb and gently, and when I say gently, I mean gently rake the ends of my hair, because the ends of my hair is kind of like puffy. And then I go ahead and I 2-strand twist down. So this is what I've been doing, and it's been working. I'm planning on leaving these in for about a month. I'm going to wash my hair and do all that good stuff with them in it, and just keep my hair hydrated, oiling my scalp, and everything like that. So I'm going to play music, and I'm just going to let the video play all the way to the end, and then I'll pop back in at the end of the video. So this is how it's looking thus far. It feels nice and fluffy. So yeah, continue to watch. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. I am completely done. I love them. They came out really, really nice. This is the back. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next Saturday for the styling video. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.